how to share a Canva design to WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome back. If you're wanting to share your Canva design to WhatsApp, you can follow up the steps in order to do so. So for that, you can open up your Canva and directly head over to the designs that you've created. You will be finding it on your screen directly. So all you gotta do is head over to the Canva design that you may want to share, like this. So when you do go over there, you should be finding a 3 dot beside it at the top. All you gotta do is click on it, and when you do, this menu opens up. So from the given menu, head over the copy link, click on it again, and after clicking on it, you just need to head over to WhatsApp. So before heading, you need to give access, because if you have not given access, it won't be anything even if you share it. So go ahead and give access and copy the link. After that, head over to WhatsApp and head over to the chat in WhatsApp and share it through the messages, and that is it. So that is how you share a Canva design on WhatsApp very easily. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.